Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me Juliana. Please, I would like to use this opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are wonderful. And please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And also remember to click the like button whenever you watch my video. Whenever you watch any of my video, please click the like button to support me. Thank you guys. Today we'll be making adjustable bonnet cap. Adjustable bonnet cap. You can see the one I have here. This one is elastic bonnet with elastic. This one we are making today, we don't need elastic. We don't need any elastic. So let's go to it. Yeah, here I have I already cut out my fabric. You see my fabric. This fabric measures 20 by 20, 20 the length and the 20 the width, 20 length and 20 width, 20 by 20. So just all you need is your fabric, and you measure, you take your tape measure. But it depends on the size of the hat you are making. If you are making for an adult, like extra large, you can extend the length and the width. You can extend the length. But today, because I don't want it too big, I'm making this for one of my friend's daughter. So that's why I'm using this length. So both sides reads 20 by 20. So when you have something like this, yours can measure 21 or 22 length and the 22 in width. So whatever you want to go with. So now we have to, all you do is you see how it is? It's just like a rectangular shape. You have to fold it into two. Fold into two. Let me show you so that you have a clear view of what you are doing. Now you have the fabric, fold it into two. You see you still have a rectangular shape. When you fold, you have a rectangular shape. When you have this, all you do again is to fold it into two again. Fold it another. First of all, fold like this and fold back like this. And you have it's like a square shape. But when you put it this way, it shows a triangular shape. You have triangular shape. When you put like this, you see? So now you have a triangular shape. Place it the way it shows the triangular shape, and measure it out. Sorry, excuse me. I just wanted to adjust my video, my camera. So now you have a triangular shape. Measure out right from the point here. Measure out 10 inches. But from here, you can measure, like I said before, if you're making it for an adult, like you want it big to hold your braids and all that, you can make it, extend it to like 12, 13 inches. So now we have, because I'm making for kids, we are going with 10 inches. From this point, you take your tape, go around. I just want you guys to have the real view of everything I'm doing today. Excuse me. Sorry about the interruption here and there. Sorry about that. I'm really sorry. Yeah, yes. So now we measure from here till the end. You go round and round till you get your desired. We measure 10 inches. You see? You go like this. So now we're going to cut out the shape. From this end, you see the shape? See? You see? We are cutting it now. You cut and cut till the end. See, now we've already cut out the shape. So now all you have is like a big round circle. Can you see that? You see that? A big round circle. So what you do now is to go under. We're gonna sew it together. You add your lining. You cut out your lining the same way you cut out the fabric. Then you join them together with use your pin to put them together. I've already placed my lining. The good side facing each other, the both good side of the fabric, the lining and the main fabric facing each other. You use your pin to go around to hold it together. Then you sew it. I will show you guys what after sewing it. Yes, I've already sewn it down, you see. I've already stitched it together. So now, when you are stitching it together, make sure you leave a space so that you can use this space to turn it out. We have to now, see, I left this space in order to turn it out. Now I will turn it out to bring out the good side. Yeah. Now the good side is, you see, both the lining and the fabric, I've sewn them together. This is the look. You see, just like a circle. See? So I'm gonna go now to iron it down. When I iron it down, I will create you see, you still leave this, you see the space, the hole here, you have to leave a space to turn it out. So now, all we do now is, after ironing it, I will go now and create a casing, like a space for the adjustable tape, to insert the tape where we can use to adjust it anyhow you want it. Anyway, if you want it loose. So I'll go ahead now and iron it down and create a space for the tape. I'll come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, I've created a casing. You see the casing. You see this line, like a space for the strap, So now I will go ahead and put the strap together. How to make this strap? Cut out. Use the same fabric. Cut out a piece like a long. This one is almost 43 inches length, and the width is 5 inches width. You see, 5 inches width and the 43 inches length of strap. Just from your fabric, cut out this, and as you can see, I've already folded them. I've already folded them together. Like, I'll fold them like so, and I'll go to my machine and stitch it together. You see, you fold and stitch together, and leave a space here so that after you can turn it out. All right, I'll go ahead and sew it down. I will show you guys the next step. Yes, I've finished sewing the strap. You see, everything is sewn together. So I'll go ahead now and insert the strap. You can use to adjust it. That's why it's called adjustable bonnet hat. So now you can see the opening here. Through this opening, I will start inserting my strap. You see how I added, see? You put your safety pin just to help to pull it out. Insert it through the hole and they push it all the way around till the end. So I'll do this till it will come out from here. I'll go round and round till it will come out from here. So yeah. And once we are done, the hat is almost ready. Adjustable bonnet hat. This hat, you can use it like I made in my previous video. This is for every occasion. You can use it to wear it at home. You can wear it while you are cooking in the kitchen. You can wear it when you are having your bath. It serves every purpose. Even when you are going out, you want to cover your hair, you can wear this to match with your clothes. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do with it, it's up to you. Just enjoy. So I will continue pulling it. You see, I will continue pulling it till the end here. You have to create enough casing to fit in your strap, because if it's too big, if it's too large, it will not be able to go through the casing. So when you are creating your casing, make sure you create enough space to allow your strap pass through. Or if you want it small, you can make your casing and make your strap small. It all depends what you want. So now, yeah, I'm already, yeah, I see it's already out from the other end. So now we're gonna pull and pull and pull. As we are pulling, you adjust the hat. You see, that's why it's adjustable. You just, as this one, you don't have to feel be concerned about the elastic being too tight, or just adjust it the way you want. The way you want it to be. It's totally your choice. You have to adjust till you are good. The way you want it. The size, your size, or whatever you want. You see? Everything is ready. Both sides are equal. And now, all we do is to you see, it's done. The bonnet hat is ready. You see, we adjust it, and this is your hat. The bonnet hat is ready. So I'll go ahead and try it on and see, so that you guys can have a look. Excuse me, sorry. Oh my God, my phone slipped off from the case. So yeah, sorry about that. So now I'll put on the hat, and as you can see, I'll remove the pin here and adjust it. The essence of this is to adjust it the way you want it. You see? And now you tie the strap. Tie the straps together. Like a bow. Make a bow, like make it nice and lovely and beautiful, pretty. Yay. Yeah, you have yourself a beautiful. Yes, I've finished inserting the strap, and this is the final look. You see, you can tie the strap anywhere you want it. That's why it's called adjustable bonnet hat. Adjustable bonnet hat. So like, this is the final look. It's looking beautiful. You see? You see? So thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Please click the like button. Support me. Thank you guys. Bye. See you guys next time.